Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my village, my English, and my name is Sapna. So this is one of the special video for all of you subscribers. And recently I have completed my 1K subscribers, and this is a thankful video to all of you who have subscribed my channel. And first of all, I would say thank you to God who gave me such an power to do or to start this work to improve my communication skill. And another one, I would like to say thank you to Jashoda ma'am. Because of her inspiration, I am here and I am doing a little bit to improve myself, and also I am going to help the other people also. And a lot of, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers who helped me and subscribed my channel and help me to complete my 1K subscribers. And one thing I want to say, and this is my request to all my subscribers, that dear, because of you I have completed my 1K subscriber, but till I haven't completed my watch time, that is that 4000 hours watch time is important. And please subscriber, watch my full videos, whole videos, so that I can complete my 4000 hours as soon as possible. So this is my request to all my subscribers. And again I want to say thank you, that because of you guys, no one can do, no one can grow, and you are the subscriber, and the YouTube family always help the person who really need of your support. And thank you those persons also who write such type of comment that that also inspire me to do something new in this field. And all the subscribers, and from bottom of my heart, I again thank you so much to all of you. Keep supporting, dear. And I hope I will make a video, and I will upload my video on the regular basis, so that you can get new videos on every daily, every day. Thank you very much.